Are you getting a black screen while launching or playing eFootball on your PC? In this video, I'll show you how to fix the eFootball black screen issue on PC. So, let's get started. Solution 1. Disable all overlays. Open up the Stream app again, then click on Stream from the top left corner. Now click Settings from the pop-up. Next, scroll down from the left sidebar. Then click on eGame. Here you will get the option called Enable the Stream Overlay while in game. Now just toggle it off. Solution 2. Reset via Settings. Go to your Stream library, then right-click on eFootball. Here, click on Manage. Then click Browse Local Files. Here, find the settings X file and double-click to open it up. Next, go to the Display tab. Here, set the screen mode to Window mode and then lower the resolution 1280 by 720 below and then click OK. After that, launch the game again and see whether the issue is solved or not. If not, Solution 3. Delete corrupted setting file. Open up your This PC or computer shortcut. Then click Documents. Here you will see the Konami folder. Now open it up. Now delete the eFootball folder. Now restart your PC. After that, open up the game. Then your data will rebuild automatically. Don't worry, these reset settings, but not your online progress. Hope your issue is solved now. Thanks for watching.